This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. That's the cold on this side. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good, Mama. So hopefully it's in the cartridge. Oh, great. Oh, man. Might need a faucet on this one. Probably in this supply line going over. Not good. Yeah, I think it's in the supply going up. I'm not getting any water to it. Alright, so we got an issue here somewhere. I got an issue somewhere in this faucet going up. So we're going to cut it there and put a new supply. First cold, that should take care of it. Put that back together for now. We'll cut that out and change it down below. And put a new shut off in there. We'll make a cut right here. Look at this shit that they got on this thing. That's why it's an issue.
probably right in there where it's a mess. We'll clean it up. Unbelievable. The other one's the same thing. What a flippin' joke. Should probably take that one off too, because see where it's hitting? We'll fix that one too. That's the heart. We'll cut that off too. While I'm here, put 2 new shut-offs and 2 supplies going up. I mean, be better. Alright, so one of this is first and one is second. I'm not sure which is it. This is gonna be first. This is first. What's this one? This is second. So this is gonna be first. We'll put 2 new shut-offs. I talked to the lady about it. She wants 2 new ones. And new supplies. Look at that. Nice job. Nice snot on there. We'll shut that off for now. Put this one out too. Put a new shut off on this one. While I'm here, we'll turn the shut off on the side so it I got a bucket under there. Unbelievable. We put 2 new shut-offs on go direct. Unbelievable. That's a hack job. That's a flippin' hack job, mama. Probably gonna be some water in there, so I'm gonna have to try to probably have to steam it out, a little bit of water. Alright guys, I got a long piece of tubing in here and we'll just give it the old Gundy. Get the water out of there. And a couple of new shut-offs, we'll slide them in there. Some flux in there, and we'll solder it up. We'll turn this to the side. So when that's open, that shouldn't catch. That's open all the way. We'll put one over here too. And turn that one that way. See if I can solder them up now. They're both open all the way. cool, and then we'll put the supplies on there. I gotta put 20s. Should get good flow now. We'll see. Should. Flipping drain's a mess. I don't know what she wants to do with that. I don't know about the drain. She wants me to work on the water. Fucking flipping joke. I'll ask her about the drain too while I'm here. I'll turn the water on and check it. I don't know about this drain, what she's gonna do about this. I should clean this up too. Unbelievable. There's the heart. Might have to tighten that up. And then there's the cold. Might have to get my wrench and tighten that, I'm not sure. Yeah, probably. I'll have to ask her about this drain, what she wants to do about this drain. Flipping crazy guy. Little better flow there. This is probably dirty. Better than it was. That's good. That's good. A lot better than it was. Unbelievable. Alright, she wants to leave the drain for now until it starts leaking. Alright, there's 4 apartments here. I gotta go check the one upstairs too. Alright, so it's dripping a little. And this was a leaker too. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Alright, it should be good now. That's not legal. Stuff.